So at Netatmo we have several heating solutions. The one that you see over here is a smart radiator valve. So it is a valve that is installed on hot water radiator and that actually regulates the flow of hot water that goes into the radiator and thus allows you to control the temperature in your room. As you can see, there is a display on the valve that shows the temperature, the actual temperature, and you can also have a manual boost on the valve and increase or decrease the temperature just by clicking it. We also have in our energy range a smart thermostat, which is this one. So the smart thermostat is installed on individual boilers. And it allows you to control the boiler remotely and to create a heating schedule. So actually you can have a two-case scenario. For the first one is when you have individual heating, and in this case you have to install the thermostat plus the valve in order to have a room-by-room control of your heating system, or you can have a collective or a district heating, and in this case you have only the two valves and a relay. So like this you can control your heating, and you can always add an additional smart radiator valve in order to equip all your house with it. So both solutions come with an app, which is the Netatmo's energy app, and that looks like this. So in the app, actually, you have, when you install the product, you are being asked 5 questions, like, for instance, at what time do you wake up in the morning, when do you leave to work, when do you come back, what is your comfort temperature, and starting from there, the app will generate a heating schedule that will allow you to heat your house only when you're there and at the correct temperature. So here, for instance, you can see that when I wake up in the morning, I have my bathroom that is at 21 degrees. My bedroom stays at 17 degrees because I leave it, so I don't stay in it anymore. My living room goes a little bit up, but as soon as I leave the house, the temperature decreases, so I don't spend any energy. And again, the temperature increasing when I come back from work. So like this, I'm able to do some real energy savings, and they're estimated to be up to 37%. On the app you also have a home and away function. So it means that, for instance, when you are leaving for holidays, you can just press this button and the set point temperature in all rooms lowers down. You can obviously deactivate it remotely, so like this the temperature goes up and you come back in a very well heated house. The thermostat and the valves have embedded artificial intelligence algorithm in it. So basically they learn how works your house insulation. They also take into account the outdoor temperature, so they know perfectly well when do they have to turn on the heating system in order for you to have the perfect temperature at the perfect time. So both devices are compatible with Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa, and with Google Assistant. So it is able, users are able to control their heating through voice. So you just can come back home and say, Siri, increase the temperature, or Alexa, decrease the temperature in the bathroom, and those will follow.